Clerk at a butcher shop stands 5 foot and 10 inches tall. He wears size 13 shoes. What does he weigh? Answer is nothing. Clerks weigh meat. How much dirt is there in a hole which measures 2 feet by 5 feet by 4 feet? Answer is there is no dirt. It's a hole. Which is correct to say, the yolk of the egg is white, or the yolk of the egg are white. Answer is the egg yolk is yellow. In British Columbia, you cannot take a picture of a man with a wooden leg. Why not? Answer is that you cannot take a picture with a wooden leg. You need a camera. Billy was born on December 28th, yet her birthday always falls in the summer. How is this possible? Answer is she lives in the southern hemisphere. A farmer has 5 haystacks in one field and 4 haystacks in another. How many haystacks would he have if he combined them all in one field? Answer is 1. If you combine a load of haystacks, they become one big haystack.